Here's the drone show. Oh, kaya pala dun sila sa hill. We're watching the drone. It looks more like, right now it looks more like what? Oh, it looks like fireworks. Whoa. Nice. Nice. That's amazing. Whoa. What is it? What is it? It's a leaf. It's a feather, no? 1776. I like the feather. It's the USA. Oh, that's the first. Those are first colonies, right? It's California. There it is. California. San Jose. There we are.
Whoa, turning. Oh, it's broken. No.
What's next?
You should make a face of Lin-Manuel Miranda. We can't see anyone.
Oh, it's a rocket. It's a rocket. Up,
Where are you going?
up and away. USA. USA. Valley of Hearts Delight. Okay. Okay.
Galing.
Is that a mistletoe?
No, it's not a mistletoe. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, maybe I'm
Book neck.
That's your little bit.
Oh! The Statue of Leaves.
It's spinning.
Right.
Wandering around in the area right in front of the porta potties.
The Liberté. It also has a crack. Bong.
It's an eagle. It's flying.
What's next, Faith?
Fate, what's next?
George Washington.
Ruth, what's next? My guess is
Hamilton.
Oh, it's shrinking. It's shrinking. It's the flag.
the flag.
It's waving. Wave back.
Wow. Amazing. Technology.
The black shadow.
150. Ruth, you called it. You called it, Ruth.
Oh, so we're ending this year. Oh, it's a bunny.
Oh, soccer! World Cup! Oh, it's gonna be a goal! Yeah! Goal! Goal! That's fun. That's nice.